Hi, this is 2014 Nissan Titan. Replacing the starter. Starter is totally dead. I remember I replaced the starter about 6 years ago on this truck. And this time we got an issue. The fuel line could not be disconnected by the original tool I had. This time must be the spring stuck in there. So I bypassed that, all right, because the fuel line is long enough. So basically, I just move around, okay? The 10 bolt is 10 millimeter, all right? From each side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the starter, new starter, all right? This is a 14 millimeter. You gotta lose from the back of it. And this one is the 12 millimeter, all right? It's hooked on the wire pack in the back, okay? In the back of the wire pack. And this one, I believe this is a new one. The old one was the 13, okay? And this is the wire connector to the top back of it here, okay? Right here, yes. No, this is the that's a fuel injector. It's right in the back of here, okay? I believe it's right here, yes. Okay, this is the one connect to the starter, all right? All right, that's the 14 bolt, all right? And now, the gasket must be replaced. So we're gonna do it from here. Okay, no big deal. All right, just clean a little bit and do it from here. And also for the intake here, I clean this area, vacuum it, all right? This look pretty good right now. But compared with this one, this is the last one. I haven't cleaned it yet. Look at that. All the oil build up in there. So once I clean this up, install, just put that 14 millimeter on it and 12 millimeter on this electric pack holder, and then connect this 13 millimeter to the top of the starter right here, okay? That's it, then the starter will be in. After that, this is the gasket. We're gonna do it right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all right? That's the new gasket right there. All right, and just make sure when you do something, first thing you do is cover it, all right? Just in case the small tools or metal things will not drop in there. And always make sure you use the metal brush. Clean all these. When you install it, will be so easy, all right? Because it's so rusty. The last time I replaced that one, I believe it was about 6 years ago, all right, 2017. And that's about it. Oh, before you start this job, make sure, all right, that's normally you would disconnect the fuel rail, all right? So if you do that, you got the 5/16, that kind of tool, be able to disconnect the fuel line. That's the blue one, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The blue one, 15 amp fuse. Pull that, then negative battery. Disconnect, that's it, before you start this, all right? This is 5 12 millimeter bolt on each of this. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on each side. That's it, no biggie. The whole key is a lot of hoses you gotta disconnect first before you do the job. That's it. Thank you for watching.